guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. It's all of the highlights from Simply VW. These are the top 3 cars as voted for by everybody here, but before we find out who's won, let's see what turned up. You? It's a video. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please ask you to put your hands together and give a big Beaulieu welcome to our owners and drivers. Owners and drivers, please come down and join your cars. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for me. I was about to say, you're a bit young for this one. I know Herbie can drive itself, but you look a bit young for this one. Right, let's find out. We'll start with you first, sir. A little bit different, this. A bit of a mixture of cultures coming together, this, isn't it? What have we got?
So it's a Mark 6 Golf Estate diesel. It's slightly different from the usual. Obviously, I've gone and bought it as a bog standard estate car, used it for work for a little bit, and then got bored, as most people do with cars, and spent far too much money, and this is the outcome. So
what has been your inspiration? Because it's Japanese culture you've gone for here?
Yeah, so it's VIP is the more commonly named for it. It's sort of the actual thing is Bippu. It's a lot of the Japanese gang culture. They love spending far too much money on their cars in the 90s, traditionally on big Lexuses and Toyotas and all the big saloons. I've obviously ended up doing it on a Golf Estate as something completely different and random to what most people will do.
I've never seen anything like it. I think it's very cool. It's a mixture of European Japanese stuff. Very good indeed. Next up, we have Herbie. A naughty Herbie as well. This one's got a bit of a personality, hasn't it, this one? Let's find out a little bit more, firstly, about this particular Herbie. I'm assuming that you've done a lot of work to this.
I have, yes. Yeah, we built him about 18 years ago for our wedding. So he was used for our wedding in 2006. And Herbie goes to Monte Carlo spec. Big wheels, the high back seats, small motor.
That's all right, that's all right. Big personality.
Yes, big personality.
You are just a very cheeky little car, aren't you, Herbie? I'm not even dignifying it. Now, you very, very nearly missed out on this because we were looking for you. Tell us what we've got here.
So it's a VW Caddy with a PD 130 engine. I've only had it a short time.
So, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, I have the pleasure of telling you that the first of our runners-up, we don't have a third, second or first, we have two runners-up and overall winner. The first of our runners-up is the Caddy. Well done to you, sir. Congratulations. Well done. You're in the top three. Not bad going at all. And Charlotte here is going to present you with a prize from Autoglim and a certificate as well. Well done to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our first of our runners-up. So it's come down to this. We've got VIP and we've got cheeky. He'd like to win, you know. Anyway, ladies and gents, I have the pleasure of telling you that the next runner-up here at Simply VW 2023 is... It's a VIP Golf. Yeah. But I tell you what, you've not done bad though. Well done to you. You're still going home with a prize. And let's be honest, you're going home in ultimate luxury there.
Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. So please collect your prize there from Charlotte. And ladies and gentlemen, can I please ask you to put your hands together and give a huge cheer and a big round of applause for your winner here at Simply VW, Herbie. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath this video, you'll find a thumbs up and a subscribe button. If you hit that thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow and helps get this video in front of more people. And if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get a new video from me every week. Coming up next, it's all the highlights from tanks, trucks and firepower. Even if you're not into your military stuff, I guarantee to you, you'll have a fantastic day there. And if you can't make it, don't worry, the video will be online shortly after the show, as always. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.